What a bang, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You know what it is, we're gonna talking about YouTube keyword research. So what is a free tool we're gonna use to do that? Okay guys, let me introduce you to vidIQ.com. vidIQ.com, it is very good to use for YouTube keyword research. You can see on the screen they say vidIQ Chrome extension is a beneficial free tool that YouTuber can use to get an overview of how they perform into their channel. So this is what we're gonna use in today's video, guys. So before we get into the tutorial, please smash that subscribe button and also like this video, guys. Let's get it. So what we need to do now is just go to the Play Store and download this app, guys, and you can get it on Google Play Store here. You can see IQ. Yeah, I don't like to use their website, but you can just check it vidIQ.com if you don't want to download the app. You can see even here it has 1 million plus downloads, guys. So there's a lot of creators using this thing. So alright guys, let's jump to the app, the vidIQ app, guys. So all you need to do, you're gonna need to press get start for free if you don't have an account of this app. But me, I already have an account, so I will go with sign in and blah blah. When you get in there, they will show you to connect with your YouTube channel. So you need to allow them to connect with your YouTube channel. After that, you're done. They just need your email and the password. That's it. So this is their homepage. Homepage is looking like this. So they have a journal up here and daily task. Today's growth plan. They give a plan. They give a shit. So let's go into a daily ideas. The daily ideas. What this means? They mean they will show you the related video that you've created. So I create a couple of bits, so I wouldn't know that they're gonna show me busy. You can see here they say if your prediction is media, you can see. So it's a super type beat, purpose, old school type beat. Okay, so man, I'm not gonna do that. So you can see here in this maze, you can see a high, a very high, or a medium or high. This is where a lot of people are searching today. So today's people are searching trap, rock type beats, 90s old school boom bap freestyle. So yeah, they want old school 90s beats, you can see. But I'm not good with old school type beat, guys, and I'm still a beginner. So let's go in keyword research. Here in keyword research, what we need to do is just to search what keywords you can use. So in today's I want to upload NBA Youngboy type beat. Yeah, I made NBA boy type beat. Yeah. So we're gonna say NBA Youngboy type beat. So we want to see how can we title our beat in a YouTube channel. So let's say 2023 NBA Youngboy type beat 2023. So man, you can see what is this? Overall score has 62/100, and a volume that means people who searching NBA Youngboy type beat 2023. It's got 47%, and the competition is low. Yeah, there's not a lot of people creating videos about NBA Youngboy type beat 2023. It's just type beat. So we go price it, and it has 72%. So that means maybe it is cool to post it. So let's see their reviews. Later, man, later. Okay, so overall score it is 72/100, and the volume it is 71%, man. That's hard, and the competition is very, very, very low. So I'm about to create that beat and upload it, so you can check it. You can check it in my channel, guys. You can just check it, that beat. So you can see this is how you use it. You can come here in filter over score and pause. You will say search volume or your competition. So you can say search volume. You can see the numbers, competition, media low, media. So we don't want this thing. So we got what we want. NBA Amboy tab B. This is how I'm gonna name my map. What, guys, I'm done with this video. Just smash that like button and also subscribe. Yeah, also subscribe, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.